system, other equipment, a bigger infrastructure also, but this is very key. And the other, good governance of the board. I mean, as it was said before, with the annual election, also with a change, introduce women, youth. This is very key. This is very important. A second element to highlight is the partnership. We started multi-stakeholders partnership, as it's used to say. I mean, it's really a strong collaboration with the Meru County government. My friend Dr. Mugambi, we met several times, and with him all the Ministry of Cooperative, I mean all the stakeholders of Meru, of the dairy market, dairy sector were involved. And this, I think, it's a method, it's approach that we have to go on to also in other projects that we will start soon in Meru County.
And production system of cooperatives in the dairy industry in the beautiful land of Meru County. Dairy industry is something that we attach a really great importance. You know that what is the first sector for the food industry in Italy? I think pasta, spaghetti, macaroni. Is the dairy, is milk and cheese is the first sector for the food industry in Italy. And so I think that really you have a great room to improve, you know, in the production, as I said before. There is a room to increase. Maybe also here in Kenya, the dairy production will become the first sector for the food industry in the country. Now, while this initiative is reaching its conclusion, during its realization is achieved many important results, reaching about 2,400 dairy farmers in 5 dairy cooperatives, significantly supporting farmers, producers, and surrounding communities through the improvement of their quality of life and enhancement of food security and nutrition. The initiative also contributes to improve climate smart practices, which are particularly important in the light of climate change.
Which is really important for me. So, value addition means that you're taking raw materials, milk in this case, and then through processing, through transformation, through commercialization, you are creating an added value, which means also creating jobs, good jobs, increasing revenues for the farmers, providing benefits for the communities, services, something like this. But what I was thinking when I was coming here is that also the project of cooperation projects are sort of like value chains, where different actors, the donors, the partners, the beneficiaries, the stakeholders, they are together to create an added value. So we always have to ask ourselves, are we creating an added value here because we are using resources, money coming from the citizens? So each one of us, even me, I come here and I ask myself, am I bringing a contribution? We are doing something that creates an added value. This is really important. When I was during my first experience in Nairobi, we saw a matatu with a sticker with this question: are you the solution or are you part of the problem? This is a really good question, even for us, for the NGOs. Are we the solution or are we part of the problem? So when I see the achievement of these projects and all the things that Rose really explained very, very good previously, and so we are able to see these things, we are able to hear the achievements, the results. I think that at least here we have produced an added value. So we have changed a little the life of the people living here. And as somebody else has already said, even Ngusishi cooperative have done a lot because they have invested their own money to buy the lorry, to buy the, for example, 2 days ago I was here, I saw the video cameras to monitor the situation of the factory, and they bought with their own money, their own investment. So this is really important, and I want to thank all of them.
Ndwangi cionthe ciore mibweto ibotegeri kulingana na budget ira tweine thirikari yetu ya Meru County na mbugi otongerie bure bware o kabutari na ngwataniro na partners ikieto mimanto jama ingeja tomba kuthondekwa utongerie kana facilities era uria iriumba kwithira era no tutongeri bwa governor Kiraito Murungi na ugire bena deputy wetu governor ba twira guti mwananchi wa thirikari national na mwananchi wa thirikari ya Meru County na mwananchi wothe twe muserve equally iketo biukwa na kwina partnership yeu ukona project theri chikomba kwitha cithondekwa project jaje ne kombe kwithira kithondekwa and after the Italian fraternity really I must say we are very appreciative. We really appreciate what you have done. We know you have replicated this in 5 more wards across the county na mbere antu betu na atu department tukashitanirie na njira cionthe kenda tumba kwithira tukumbu support na tukumba increase production yetu na ibwaga bwana CEO no tumba kwira arimi betu ati kinya baka kwithira bage bakiomba go kama eria rengana nikomba kwithira rikiona thoko no tujama ingi tuga tuti kuomba kwanda itoga tuti kuomba oketha into bibingi no tubite na thoko eria ri na thoko the other day ndirari Kisumu na ndona Mount Kenya milk on the shelf so tukeja kuga guti na thoko na tutwe thirikari yetu kethari vaccination nyari atwetana na bubukareta ngombe cetu cika vaccinated ereja kwithirwa AI services. Actually, the other day, Bore was leading the AI services ila tukoeja na ndene ya Meru County na inkwenda kuga ibo bwega na tukeja jama inje na mbuga gote kona kinye Meru County kinye momo akathai utongerie bo thirikari yetu bote kinyete na kinye department yetu ya agriculture itomekete sure to go distribute utongeria bo thirikari yetu kona cionthe cia Meru
te bange barombere yetu Italian government tatwira ni tonto bata ya mbere bata ya no bataro muntu batikira thirikari ne utirio kinyara yete no ndo babatu bukarongo ni muntu twinenge to waka kibirichia na project nyingi karo mutiga waziri wetu wa agriculture every week actually nyato kwa kuthilonga every day to kuthilonga to kurugura project ile ibuthetwe county government directly na inge through collaboration kimya kadira itwari nanga wetawa nte mwene tukurugura project ikwachi ndio technology anta bako yabaka thoma ngo ira tukurita turero ari Ngusishi ruyo teta mutwate project hii Karama project hii Mikindori project hii Giaki Nyakis so to tagete ntoire chonde chia county ya Meru wewe sana kiri a members ba Ngusishi cooperative kwana buriti tengweja ka sana nambo iko goroko nene no ntu kulingana na ukulokera project ye tukuona tulikuwa mbere bora ba ukama average 5 liters kana lita 5 lakini ende bwe kama lita kenda oba lita kenda o ngombe mwe ya umanto ya mega mbuga batu tukaendelea kubwa tambaru tukatandirete na other stakeholders ibaka sana chairman bwana Kiruja Meru Dairy na CEO kuno ntubora bwendele to support these cooperative societies dairy cooperatives na by so doing ikole waziri wetu akiuga antu bariuma bakaya kuthoma kura Meru County iko gita unu burapo boromba antu wetu nontu igitari ukinya ya kumakirwa ndenda butumakira na mathithe yetu